Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time here, please don't forget to subscribe, share, comment, and keep our community growing. On today's episode, I'm going to be making mackerel sauce. This is one of the sauce that I enjoy the most, and you can pair this with any side dish of your choice. To make the sauce, and I'm going to be using 2 whole mackerel. I'm going to be seasoning the mackerel with ginger, salt, black pepper, and chicken bouillon. And after that, I'm going to put this in my oven for 30 minutes on 350 degrees. And after that, this is what it looks like. And I'm going to go ahead and debone the fish. And I'm doing this process because I have kids. But if you don't mind the bone, you can actually leave the bone on and just go ahead and shred the fish. And this is what it looks like after shredding. And for the pepper mix for the sauce, I did a rough blend of shepherd pepper, aka scotch bonnet, and lots of onion. So while recording, my phone died, and that's the reason why I didn't record the process. So I'm going to go ahead and then add salt, chicken bouillon, and crayfish for taste. The reason I'm adding crayfish is because I'm making a fish sauce, and that crayfish gives it that fishy flavor. In order for you to know that the sauce is ready is when you see the oil floating at the top. And I'm going to go ahead and then add my mackerel fish. Mackerel fish is very tasty. It is so delicious and it's strong in flavor, rich in flavor, and very oily. And we know that this fish is very rich in omega-3 and in high in protein and very excellent in vitamin B12 and very high in vitamin D. And it's also very high in DHA and EPA as well. So for those people that love anything healthy, mackerel fish is your go-to if you cannot find the salmon fish. So here we're just gonna turn and then cover on low heat and then let it simmer for about a few minutes. And then after that, we're gonna go ahead and then add our Thai basil. So for those Nigerian out there, outside Nigeria, looking for that Nigerian scent flavor, I would say go for Thai basil because Thai basil have the same flavor as the Nigerian scent leaf. You can only get that in the Asian store. Some Asian store label with Thai basil, while some label with cinnamon basil, but they're all the same. After adding the basil, you're going to stir these on low heat. And then after that, you're going to cover and then let it simmer for about a minute on low heat. And then after that, your sauce is ready. You can actually pair this with any side dish of your choice. And I'm going to be enjoying this with my rice and my broccoli on the side. Let me know if you're going to be trying these in the comment section so that on our next one, we're definitely going to give you a shout out. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.